Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save a deal on the Booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First you have to open up the Booking app. And here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we have to tap on the saved menu, where we have our saved deals. Here we can tap on the plus icon and create a new list. Let's say to go. Create this list, and then when we search for a place, let's say in Paris, okay, we can save the place to our list like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.